Hi, today we'll be reviewing our Idea Manager. The Idea Manager is your go-to tool for nurturing and developing creative concepts within a collaborative space. It's designed to take you through the entire ideation process, from capturing initial thoughts to turning them into actionable projects. Within this module, you can easily create and submit new ideas, and for open types, invite others to join you on the journey. You'll be able to document every step with detailed entries and keep everyone in sync by scheduling regular meetings. Whether you're looking to drive innovation, enhance teamwork, or manage projects more effectively, the Idea Manager provides a centralized hub where all of your ideas and collaborations come together effortlessly. It's all about creating a smooth, well-documented path from concept to completion. In this video, we'll take you through the essential features of the Idea Manager in our SmartSimple system. We'll start by showing you how to create and develop your ideas from scratch. Then, we'll dive into how you can invite others to participate in your open ideas, making collaboration easy and effective. We'll also explore how to keep your ideas organized with detailed entries, ensuring you track every update and activity. Scheduling meetings will be a breeze as we demonstrate how to set up and manage discussions around your ideas. Finally, we'll guide you through listing and managing tasks so you can keep all of your to-dos and responsibilities in order. By the end, you'll have a solid grasp on how to use the Idea Manager to bring your ideas to life. Let's get started. To begin, I've logged in as a staff member. Once logged in, I am greeted by my main portal. Here I have all the shortcuts I need to view and create ideas effortlessly. Under the Ideas header, I'm presented with convenient shortcuts tailored to my needs. Whether it's reviewing all ideas at once or focusing on specific types, such as open ideas, invitation-only ideas, or internal ideas, the platform ensures effortless access. The portal also keeps me organized with dedicated sections for managing participation requests, tracking activities, and scheduling meetings. Now, let's navigate into creating a new idea. To do this, I'll navigate to the shortcut for the type of idea I want to create. We have 3 types available. Open ideas are visible to everyone and allow users to request participation, fostering a collaborative environment. Invitation-only ideas are exclusive to selected participants, providing a private space for invited users to collaborate. Internal ideas are confined to our internal staff, ensuring a secure environment for our team to brainstorm and develop ideas. For this demonstration, I'll create an open idea to highlight its extensive functionality. To create a new idea, I'll start by clicking on the Open Ideas shortcut. Then, I'll click into the plus button to begin crafting a new idea. Here, we'll fill out all of the required fields, like I did just now. We started with the idea name and provide a compelling idea description. We'll also answer what motivated you to come up with this idea. We'll also add an elevator pitch, which is a brief summary of our idea, followed by a detailed solution overview. We'll also assess the feasibility and the sustainability of the idea to ensure it's practical and enduring. If we have any additional materials, such as images or documents, we can upload them here to support our idea. Once we are satisfied with the information provided, we can activate the idea by clicking on the Activate button, making it available for others to engage with. At any point, we also have the option to discard or delete our idea if needed. I'll go ahead and activate it now. For open ideas, other users can submit participation requests. They simply find an idea that they're interested in and fill out the participation request form. To demonstrate this, I've navigated to a different user's portal who will serve as our collaborator to the idea that we have previously activated. We see here it's a very similar portal, where we can see all the activated open ideas. I'll navigate to the one we previously created and request a participation request for it. I can first read all about the idea, and under our Administration tab, find the Request Participation button. Here, I can fill out any comments I'd like to share and submit my request. I've now navigated to the Idea Owners portal to see how these requests appear on their main portal. Under the Participation request, I see I have received a new request. As the idea owner, I can view and decide whether to accept or cancel these requests. If I choose to accept, the requester becomes a collaborator and can start working on the idea together with us. Once we are working on the idea, both the idea owner and collaborators can easily add entries to track progress under that same Administration tab. Entries can include attachments or text, which are organized into a thread for easy reference. Entries can be edited if needed, ensuring we keep our records up to date and accurate. All these entries are displayed in a thread as seen here, allowing us to review everything in one place at any time. To facilitate collaboration, we can also schedule meetings related to the idea. We simply fill out the meeting form with details like meeting name, date, meeting type, and location or video conference information. Once scheduled, an automated email notification can be sent out to all participants. After the meeting takes place, we can mark it as completed. If a meeting gets canceled, we can also update its status accordingly. We also have the option to create and manage tasks related to the idea. These tasks represent to-do items for the owner and the collaborators. Tasks can be assigned to specific users, and once completed, we mark them as done. We can also add a resolution and any necessary evidence for the tasks. If a task is canceled, it can be updated to reflect its status as well. This overview demonstrates the powerful features of our Idea Manager module. It streamlines the process from ideation to execution, fostering collaboration and innovation every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing your ideas come to life. For questions, contact our Platform Solutions team at platformsolutions@smartsimple.com.